Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make mixed biryani, a truly delightful and aromatic dish. This classic recipe brings together tender marinated meats, such as chicken and lamb, with long-grain basmati rice and a symphony of spices. We will go through each crucial step, from preparing your ingredients to the final layering and slow cooking process, ensuring a perfect biryani every time. Get ready to embark on a flavorful culinary journey. The foundation of a great biryani lies in careful preparation. Begin by marinating your chosen meats, perhaps 1.5 pounds of chicken and lamb, in a mixture of yogurt, ginger garlic paste, and a blend of aromatic spices. Allow this to rest for a minimum of 2 hours, or ideally overnight. Simultaneously, soak 2 cups of premium basmati rice for 30 minutes before parboiling it until it is about 3/4 cooked. Don't forget to thinly slice and fry 1 large onion until it's beautifully golden and crispy. Now comes the art of layering, which is crucial for the biryani's distinct flavors. In a heavy-bottomed pot, alternate layers of your par-cooked basmati rice, the richly marinated meat, and a generous scattering of those crispy fried onions. For an extra touch of luxury, drizzle over some warm milk infused with a pinch of saffron. Finally, seal the pot tightly, either with a dough made from flour and water or with aluminum foil to trap the steam. Cook on a very low heat for approximately 45 minutes to 1 hour, allowing the flavors to meld beautifully. Once the cooking time is complete, resist the urge to open the pot immediately. Let the biryani rest, undisturbed, for about 10 to 15 minutes. This crucial step allows the steam to redistribute and the flavors to fully develop. Then, with a large spoon, gently fluff and mix the layers from the bottom up, ensuring every serving gets a wonderful mix of rice, meat, and spices. Garnish generously with fresh cilantro and serve your magnificent mixed biryani hot, perhaps alongside a cooling raita or a crisp salad. Enjoy your culinary masterpiece.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.